Hi guys, boom boom boom, and in this video you will learn how to make this Star-Lord's gun. Now sure, it's not painted like the Star-Lord's gun, but I have put a picture of the Star-Lord's gun up. So all you need for the Star-Lord's gun is some paper and some cardboard. Now you will need quite a few cardboard. So I have this big guy, and what I did from that is I made 3 pieces which look like the Star-Lord's gun, and then I actually just stuck them. That's why it has 3. And then here I put the 2 paper rolls and 1 big paper roll here. That's all you needed to do. Now, all you need to do is paint your Star-Lord's gun. Now, in this video, I'm not gonna paint this Star-Lord's gun like the real Star-Lord's gun. So what you can do is either you can color it however you want, or go in Google looking for its pictures, or what you can do is pause the video when I show you the image in the video, the image of a good Star-Lord gun. I'm sure it will be good, so you will understand it. Guys, I have this picture here. This is the up part, and now here is the down part. So watch the picture and do it. I'm done with my gun. Boom, boom, boom. And it looks kind of cool. And now if you want to make another gun, like if you want Slugterra, you might know the Eli Shane wrist blaster. So in the description box I have put a link to my big brother's video. It's how to make an Eli Shane wrist blaster, and for the part in which he used the clips, don't worry if you haven't. Just the only problem is going to be its moves. Its blades won't be able to move, but yeah, make sure you watch his video in the description box, and then yeah, don't forget to subscribe my channel and his channel. Subscribe. Oh yeah, and yeah, see you guys in my next video.